Good morning, everyone. This is Linda, and the cleanup starts now. And it's not a lot, just picking up, staking up, tying up. But it's a beautiful morning. Yeah, it's a beautiful morning. And our Thursday and Friday is going to be beautiful. So I'm happy about that. And today I'm going to do some things that I need to do in my garden just to get it semi back the way it was, right? Yeah. So here, these are my butterfly peas and some zeniths. This is Jada's little bed, and I'm just trying to get it together with all of the flowers and some of I have a Georgia roaster squash in there, and a lot of her leaves is torn off. So I just took a lot of the leaves off, and now I'm gonna give it some water. Would you believe it needs water? It does. So I'm gonna give it some water, and let them be happy in this bed. And this is just one of the things I needed to do, especially just to get the butterfly peas up. Yeah, when I look around in my garden, I see things that wasn't there. I don't know if anyone is like me, but listen, if a fruit is missing off my trees, I know it. I know it. So this is what I'm doing today. I'm going to do a lot of things. Well, a couple of things. I'm going to first do this, and then I'm going to go over. My okra is not down. Now, I've gotten a lot of okra, and I had 2 meals with them. So basically, what I'm going to do today, I'm just going to pull them up. So this is my okra. I had about 3 plants that was giving me okra. This is my pink guava tree. She was laying down. She was laying down. She's not broken. She's just was laying down. So now I'm just going to stake her up. I have a long pole here, and I'm just going to put her on this pole. You probably can't see it, but she's staked up. And now she's happy. And so am I. And this is my okra. And I'm just getting all of this okra up. These are the smaller ones, but there is some bigger ones in here that was huge. And I had to put some muscle in that thing, you know? So Ben was out in the front of the house, and he was cutting the grass in the front of the house, which needed it very badly, simply because we had rain for the last 5 days or so. So yeah, the front of the house needed him to get that together, and he did. And now I got all the okra up. Now, only thing I have in this bed now is a pepper plant. And I'm going to leave her there. Yeah, I'm going to leave her there and see what she produces. This is me harvesting my round 1 of Fuyu persimmons. Oh boy, this was, yeah. I had sugar cane all over me, but that's okay because I was getting at least half of my Fuyu persimmons. So here we go, y'all. Here we go. Fuyu persimmons hold on to the tree. As you saw, in the video I post after Hurricane Francine that not one Fuyu persimmon hit the ground, not one. So they really hold on. So if you think about pulling a Fuyu persimmon off the tree, no. You either break the limb or cut them off, because you will not pull a Fuyu persimmon off the tree. They will stay on the tree forever, and I mean forever. If you leave them there, that's where you will find them, right? So I decided that I was gonna do some pruning as I was harvesting my Fuyu persimmons, and I just took off some of the stems, but that's okay, because I'm gonna really prune a lot of my trees. Both of my pear trees I will prune, and my pomegranate. Yeah, so she's just getting an early pruning, just an early pruning, right? Yeah. So this is harvest number 1. This is a really deep container. It's a lot of persimmons in there. But I'll count them for those who want to know. But that's just round 1. And let me share what's still on the tree. There is a lot of persimmons on the tree still. Yeah, all down there at the bottom, there's still a lot there. And yeah, look, I need a rest. So I'll do a part 2 in a minute, I guess. But we'll get on. Harvesting my Fuyu persimmons. Oh, and the one that I really wanted. Wait, where is she? Where are you, baby? Wait a minute. So this is her. This is her. This is my Fuyu persimmon. Yeah, baby. This is her. Let me see. Yeah, I'm trying to. But I tell you this. I'm going to enjoy this one. This one is all mine. It's all mine. That is beautiful. Absolutely. Yeah. All right, so this is what was in my bucket, and this is 40 persimmons, 40 Fuyus in my first harvest. That's them, including the star of the show. She is the star of the show, y'all. I'm sorry about my shadow, but yeah, I'm sitting down. But that's the first harvest of my Fuyus. Yeah. So this is my soursop tree. She was just leaned over a little bit. And I'm just going to stand her back up. And I'm going to put some compost. And make sure no frog in this bag, because they get in these bags. And I'm talking about a grow bag, one of my grow bags I have. But they will get in these bags. Oh, shoot. But, yeah, I'm just standing it back up. Let me see if I could do this instead of going one bit at a time. Okay, let's see if that's enough. All right. Now let me get some of this Good rainwater. It's good rainwater I got. Put it all in there. There you go. All right. That's the soursop. There she is. This is the soursop. She's a big girl. She's a big girl. Yeah. I went down to my favorite store, Rosie's, and I picked up a peach tree. A while ago, someone asked me in my live what was my favorite fruit. And I told them it was a peach, but I didn't have a peach tree. I had a peach tree once, but it died. It flooded, and my peach tree was in the ground, and it died. So today, I got a peach tree. And this is a Red Haven. This is the one that I like. And this is my peach tree. Now, I bought it from my store, Rosie's. For those that live in my area, Rosie's is on the West Bank Expressway. And it was $39.99. And of course, this is how tall she is. She's a tall girl. Tall girl. Tall girl. I got my peach tree, y'all. Yeah. So while I was at my store, my nephew told me that if I go there and I see a bay leaf tree, to pick it up for him. So here we go. There's the bay leaf tree. Yup. I picked up a bay leaf tree, and it was $19.99. And this tree is going to H-Town, baby. It's going to H-Town. There we go. We got a bay leaf tree there. All right, man. All right, guys. Ben has made his way to the garden. And he is putting soil in this bed, just topping it off, and he's topping off the other one also. And now, tomorrow, maybe, we're supposed to get rain tomorrow, too? Huh? 40% chance of rain? Man, I got enough of rain. I promise you, I done seen enough of rain. But anyway, if it don't rain tomorrow, I'm gonna direct sow some seeds. But anyway, guys, this is what's going on in my garden today. Yeah. You wanna say later, Ben? Later. Yeah.